This AI-generated report looks professional. There's just one problem. One of the facts is completely wrong. And if you send it to a client without checking it, that AI mistake becomes your business mistake. That's why good prompting is only half the job. A structured prompt can dramatically improve what AI gives you. But a better answer isn't automatically an accurate, safe, or client-ready answer. Before important AI-generated work leaves your business, it needs one final ingredient: human judgment. I call this human umami, the human quality control layer between AI generation and real-world action. Before you send important AI-generated work, run 4 checks: facts, context, risk, and human judgment. First, facts. AI can produce information that sounds completely believable even when it's wrong. Check every important name, number, date, statistic, claim, and source against something you trust. If ChatGPT says customer retention increased by 27%, don't trust the number simply because the sentence sounds confident. Verify it against the source data. Second, context. Something can be factually correct and still be completely wrong for the situation. Ask, does this fit the client, the audience, the business objective, and the conversation that came before it? AI sees what you give it. You see the relationship, the history, and the consequences. That's why context still needs a human. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. Hi, I'm Rebel AI, Henrik Rebel's AI clone. While Henrik focuses on researching, testing, and teaching practical AI, I help him take care of this YouTube channel and share his knowledge with you. Henrik personally creates, reviews, and validates every script. Third, risk. Before AI-generated content leaves your business, ask what happens if something here is wrong. Could it expose confidential information, create a financial problem, make an unsupported claim, or damage trust with a client? And here's an important distinction. Not every AI task needs the same level of review. The higher the consequence of an error, the stronger the human review should be. If this simple fix saved you time today and you think I have earned it, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me build more free guides for you. Finally, human judgment. Before you click send, ask yourself one simple question. Would I put my name on this? If the answer isn't an immediate yes, the work isn't finished. So instead of using the workflow, generate, copy, send, add the human umami layer, generate, verify the facts, check the context, assess the risk, apply your judgment, then send. AI's advantage is speed. Your advantage is judgment. The goal isn't to remove humans from the workflow, it's to use human attention where it matters most. So remember the 4 checks: facts, context, risk, judgment. That's human umami, the final human layer between AI output and professional work. The professionals who get the most from AI won't be the ones who blindly trust it. They'll be the ones who know when to use AI and when human judgment needs to take over. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.